Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today's video I will be showing you guys how I use my Blue Magic hair grease butter on my hair. So here is Blue Magic olive oil anti-breakage protein complex. So it's leave-in styling conditioner, no greasing formula. It's made to soften your hair and make your hair manageable and new and improve. Blue Magic is also good to add shine to dull hair. So guys, I've used this product before, so if you want to see the full review of this Blue Magic, I will leave the link in the description box below. So that is my DIY hair grease butter that I made. So the video is on my channel. I will also link it at the description box below. Just go and check it out so that you can get the idea of how I make that. So it's rich with so many nice ingredients plus Blue Magic. Okay, so now I'm just going to remoisturize my hair. So this is the hair that I made with what product did I use to make this video? Guys, I can't remember, but I will try. Maybe before I finish this voiceover I will remember. Then I will also link that the video and the description box below. Just go and check it out. To my returning subscriber, how you guys doing? Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really appreciate you guys. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I also appreciate you too. If you are here for the first time, you are so welcome. Thank you for clicking and to watch my video. I do appreciate you so much. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up and also subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So now I'm just going to pull my hair in session so it will be easy for me to work with, so that I will not be it will not be so difficult for me to work with. That's why I'm putting it on session. So I'm just going to spray in some water to revive it. So because my hair is a bit dry, so I'm just going to kind of moisturize it with this my grease butter and the leave-in conditioner. So if you want to use this butter, you can use it with any leave-in conditioner of your choice. So you can use it as a protective style, you can also use it as a braid out or a twist out, or anyone that you want to use it for. It's also good, so it can help you to strengthen your hair. It can also help to grow your hair and also keep your hair out of damage, like out of breakage, excess breakage or excess shedding. So this product is all good. If you can use it 2 to 3 times a week, it's going to be so fine. I've been using the other one that I made before, the hair grease that I made before. So I'll also leave that at the description box below. I'll be using it every day on my hair because I'm using it as a hair growth challenge. So for this month, so I'm using it every day on my hair and also on my scalp, plus my DIY hair grow oil that I just made that I'm also using on my hair alongside with the hair grease butter. So it's going to be so good for your hair, guys. So I just decided to show you guys how I make my hair grease that will be helping me to kind of keep my hair healthy and also keep it growing. You know what's worked for me, I decided to also share it with you guys. Maybe it will also work for you guys if you give it a try, because I know it's going to work for you. If you are already used to mixing grease, like mixing different type of grease together, then you can also be used today, because the only thing you can add is your oils and butter. Maybe you can also make your oil just the way I make mine on this video: carrot, ginger and turmeric. So you can also make those oil and just make your whole hair grease. That is going to also boost the strength of the grease to make it work more faster. So that is what I do to boost my hair grow, and it's really working for me. It's keeping my hair strong, healthy and bouncy. So as you can see, so now I'm just going to first of all use the Blue Magic. This is as the moisturizer to moisturize my hair. So this product is so light. As you guys can see, it's very light. So and it's also moisturizing. So don't just say because it's light it's going to be water on your hair. No, it's very moisturizing and good to manage your hair and keep your hair so moisturized and also shiny. So now I'm just going to apply this to my hair just the way you see me do. As you can see how it makes my hair feel now, it's reviving my hair. Then I will just now, after applying this product to my hair, I'm just going to press it into my head very well. Then I will use my DIY hair grease butter to seal in moisture. Okay, you can use this all by itself. You can use the Blue Magic hair grease butter all by itself because it's also good to keep your hair moisturized. Also, you can use it all by itself, or you can use it with a leave-in conditioner or a lotion, just the one that the product that you know it works for you. You can use it alongside with this product. So after applying to my hair, I'm just going to comb my hair. As you can see, I'm just going to comb it through to distribute the product to my hair very well. So I'm going to use this my shampoo brush to brush it very well so that the product can really enter inside my hair. So this is basically why I'm going to be using it on my hair. So since I'm using the other one that I made before every day, maybe I'll be using this one once or twice a week alongside with the other one. So guys, this is just good for hair growth. If you are trying to grow out your hair, just try and make this product for yourself. You are going to love it, like you are going to like it. It's going to keep your hair strong and also out of breakage. It's also going to work well for your dandruff. If you have dandruff on your hair, just also put it on your scalp, so it's going to get rid of dandruff and everything that is not good for hair. So I'm just going to twist my hair now. As you can see me doing right here, I'm just going to twist my hair. So I will leave some video at the description box below that I know is going to be of help to you to for your hair go. Just look at the description box below and you are going to see a lot of video there. So if you have not seen this video where I made this grease, it's also going to be at the description box below. Just go and check it out so that you have an idea of how I make this super hair grease, that hair grease butter, because I know you guys are going to like it, like you're going to like it. This is my little secret how I grow my hair. So missing grease is one thing that I also do on my video. So I just say, okay, let me just start mixing it with turning it into a butter. So to kind of see how it look like. When I try it, it worked well on my hair, then I decided to share with you guys. So if you also like it and it worked for you, please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, because more are coming. So I will be making more hair grease butter on this channel. So if you want to see all that, just subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss any other video. Okay, so guys, this is how it's looking like. Don't worry about because it's kind of yellow in color. Maybe you'll be thinking it's not going to leave your hair when you wash your hair. It will leave your hair with just one wash, guys. It's not going to stain your hair. It's just going to leave your hair just one wash, and it's good to have a lot of benefit for hair growth. As you can see, carrot is so good for hair growth, as well as ginger, so as well as turmeric They are so good for hair growth. So if you use Glow Magic, you can testify that Glow Magic also contribute a lot to hair growth. And also shea butter, cocoa butter, and other oil that I mix with this product. So just go and check out the video. You can see for yourself and see how I I make this grease butter, and you are going to love it. So guys, this is how my hair is looking like. As you can see, my hair is already moisturized. Like with the help of this product, my hair can stay moisturized throughout the remaining days of this week. So I'm just going to continue to twist my hair. As you can see me doing right here, it's just, you can use it as on your braid or anything. You can even use it as a twist out or a braid out, or any style that you prefer to use it with, as you can see. So guys, I'm just going to leave you guys here and allow you to watch the remaining of the video. So you are going to see the end and see how my hair turned out to be. Like my hair was so beautiful, made with this product. Keep my hair so soft and moisturized. My hair feel really soft and also shiny, as you guys can see.